Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce your photo size on your iPhone. So if you go to your photos on your iPhone, if you go to an image and you scroll up, right down here, it's going to show you the file size, which in this case, it's 3.3 megabyte. That's pretty large. It's going to fill up your photo library and the storage on your phone pretty quickly. So couple of different ways to change them. Go to the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you see this camera icon. Tap on it and here go on to this formats, and there is a way to actually reduce any new pictures that you take in. I'm going to show you that how you can reduce on the existing file, but this one is for new pictures. By default it will selected the high efficiency, so you have to tap on this most compatible. When you tap on this most compatible, it's going to change it, and definitely make sure this pro raw is toggle off, because this is massive file sizes that are going to quickly store. Now let's go to our photo. How to reduce this file size? Now you don't want to take a screenshot because that's going to be just as big as this one. That is not a way to do it. The only way to reduce a file size of existing thing in your Photos app is actually by using an app inside of the App Store. So just tap on the search bar and search for compress photo. You will see the option here, compress photos and the pictures, and you have to download this application, and you can easily reduce photo sizes on iPhone. So just download this and use it for reducing the photo size on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.